this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new transponder key using the VVDI mini key tool and of course the XHorse application. And what we're going to do now, we're going to create, in this example, B111 key. We're going to create this key using this equipment. Now, basically, you go to a vehicle, and let's say, for example, for this video, you have a GMC Savannah 2008. As you can see, this key B111, this key, the chip inside the key, and the key fits to GMC Savannah 2008 and all of these vehicles. Okay, it's the same chip and it fits all of them. So right now, what we want to do, I want to show you how to create a new key, okay? A new key that is going to be identical to this key. So let's see how we do it. Okay, what we need to do, we need to go to the XHorse application right here. Okay, and make sure that you are in the mini key tool section. You can go left and right, make sure that you are in the mini key tool. Okay, next what we need to do, we need to turn on the VVDI mini key tool. And as you can see, right now it's on. Now, have a look. Okay, you see the, let me see, the X next to the Bluetooth. That means that it's not connected yet. That's fine. What we need to do, we need to press select right here, select. And then here you got the VVDI that is disconnected, and we're going to press connect. Press on it. There you go. We heard the 2 beeps. And in additional, we can see the battery symbol and how much percentage that we have on the device. And that means that right now, we are connected, okay? In additional to that, again, you can double check and make sure that the V is next to the Bluetooth device. Before we had X, now we have V. Now we know that we are connected to the application. And now we can start to copy the key and to create the key based on this key. So what we need to do, we need to go to transponder clone. There it is, transponder clone. Clone is like copy. So basically transponder copy, which is transponder clone. We're going to press on it. Now the machine, the application tells us, put transponder into coil position as the picture shown. Click read transponder button to select. Okay, so we take the transponder key. Remember, here we have the chip inside the plastic, and we need to put it inside the coil, just like that. And what we're going to press, read transponder. Okay, as you can see, it did find it. And it gives us some information about the key. And most important, it's right here where it says clonable. I'm going to show you even closer. You see, it says clonable. Okay, clonable, it means that it's possible to clone this key. It's possible to copy it. It is possible. So that's great news. What we're going to do, we're going to press clone. Again, clone, it's like copy. So let's press clone. And it gives us the information of what we need to do. And you're going to have the super chip ready. Okay, the super chip ready. Something that I want to tell you, that the super chip is reusable. That means that you can burn as many as you want, as many chips as you want. You can use it as many times as you want. It's still going to be equal. Okay, it's not one-time chip. You can use it as many times as you want. Okay, so you want to have it ready. And whenever the application will let us know, we're going to have to use it. So right now, we're going to press start clone. After we put the key, of course, inside the coil, start clone. And this is a transponder. So we're going to press transponder clone. Okay, put the original key in the coil. There it is. It is inside the coil. Please take out the original key and put the VVDI super chip inside. So I'm going to take it out and I'm going to put the super chip right here. Okay, right now it's writing the chip on the chip. It's okay, it's detected, and as you can see, it says write data, copy successful. Okay, that's what we want, and we can press now stop clone. I'm just gonna show you here. Okay, copy successful, and I'm gonna write now stop clone. Okay, That means that right now, on this super chip, we have the chip that we had right here. We just copied the chip. Okay, next what we need to do, we need to create the key. Okay, remember that we have all of these keys, the key sets. Okay, all of the key sets with the blades. Each key have a different blade. And what we needed to do, we needed to get a key blade that look like this. In this case, the blade is B106. Okay, B106. So I took the blade from here, B106, okay, B106, which is this blade. Just to confirm, you can always take the key that you copied and look at the blade and match them. Make sure they are the same blade. Okay, as you can see, they are the same blade. And right now, we're going to go to the process of building the key because we already have the chip copied. Okay, we have the chip from here, copied to the super chip. Now we just need to create the key. Do you want to know how to program car keys and remotes for all type of vehicles and easily? Well, if you do, then I have the perfect solution for you. Hi, my name is Moshe and I'm an owner of a locksmith company for over 10 years. I'm an expert when it comes to program car keys and remotes. I created a website full of videos and tutorials that will show you step by step how to program all type of car keys and remotes, from transponder keys to remote head keys to smart keys for vehicles that have a push to start system. By using this website, you will be able to program car keys and remotes easily, and you will be able to be successful on your first try. All you will have to do is follow a few simple steps. Go to the search bar and type the make, year and model of the car that you would like to program the key for and press enter. Then choose the correct video from the suggested videos. Make sure that the vehicle make, year and model appear in the description list below the video, and follow the video step by step. It's that easy. And if you would like to order the key that is being explained in the video, that's not a problem. Just press on the link at the bottom of the description and you can order the exact same key that is being explained in the video. It's that easy. To find out more, go to www.locksmithvideosonline.com. So what we need to do, we take this, and remember, we have the two pieces of the head of the key. We got one part and we have the other part. Okay, so we take the key and we need to slide it inside here and make sure that the hole of the key will be exactly at this hole and not covering, it have to be exactly, okay? So let's put it in. And sometimes you're gonna have some challenge on it, so what you can do, you can just press it against a hard surface. Okay, you can see that now it's in, but it's not perfect. Okay, we can see that it still sticks out and we need to push it even more. So let's push it even more. I'm gonna push it even more, and not yet. We can see that we still have the metal. I'm gonna press it even more. And sometimes you can take a hammer, just punch it in, okay? A hammer or anything. And as you can see, not yet. So I'm gonna do it even more. All right, let's see. I think it looked good now. Let's see. Okay, it looks like it's pretty good right now. We don't see the metal. The metal don't cover the hole. Okay, so step number one, we connect the blade to the head. Then we take the key, the super chip, which we already copied before, remember? And this is the perfect way to do it. You take the super chip, okay? Again, I'm gonna show you exactly how I did it. The super chip just like that, okay? Flat line is at the bottom. And I position it just like that. Okay, you see how perfect it sits now, exactly at the groove. Perfect. That's the position you always want to put it, okay? Then you take the head and you cover. That's it, okay? That's it. Right now, we have the exact same key, like the B111 in this case, in this example, and we just created another B111 using the super chip and the VVDI KeyTool Max, a mini KeyTool. And right now we can go ahead and cut the key with the key machine. And after that we can program the key in the vehicle because the chip already being copied. Okay, that's how you clone, which is copy chip with the VVDI and the XHorse application using the super chip. That was a B111 example, but it's the same process to any transponder key. Okay, basically that's it for this video. Do you want to know how to program car keys and remotes for all type of vehicles and easily? Well, if you do, then I have the perfect solution for you. Hi, my name is Moshe and I'm an owner of a locksmith company for over 10 years. I'm an expert when it comes to program car keys and remotes. I created a website full of videos and tutorials that will show you step by step how to program all type of car keys and remotes, from transponder keys to remote head keys to smart keys for vehicles that have a push to start system. By using this website, you will be able to program car keys and remotes easily, and you will be able to be successful on your first try. All you will have to do is follow a few simple steps. Go to the search bar and type the make, year and model of the car that you would like to program the key for and press enter. Then choose the correct video from the suggested videos. Make sure that the vehicle make, year and model appear in the description list below the video, and follow the video step by step. It's that easy. And if you would like to order the key that is being explained in the video, that's not a problem. Just press on the link at the bottom of the description and you can order the exact same key that is being explained in the video. It's that easy. To find out more, go to www.locksmithvideosonline.com.